In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho Books to Shopify, a process that should take us about 5 minutes. This guide will help you seamlessly integrate your Zoho Books account with Shopify, allowing for efficient management of your financial data alongside your online store operations. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Zoho Books website. Once you're there, sign into your account. This is your main hub where you'll access all the tool sets that Zoho Books offers, so having full access to your account is crucial in making this process smooth and effective. Now once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard of your Zoho Books. The dashboard is your command center, providing an overview of your financial activities. It's here that you make direct connections for added capabilities, such as linking to Shopify. On the dashboard, you'll see an option labeled My Account. Go ahead and click on it. This section will give you personalized settings and features. It's instrumental as it customizes your Zoho Books experience, making sure it aligns perfectly with how you run your business. Next, you'll need to locate the settings option within your account menu. The settings area is your control center for adjusting various preferences and configurations, which will include setting up integrations like the one we're doing today with Shopify. From settings, direct yourself to the connections section. This is where Zoho Books allows you to manage all your existing connections and add new ones. Choosing connections sets the stage for linking your Zoho Books account to Shopify. Within the connections page, you'll find a button that says New Connection. Click on it. Think of this as adding a new device or program to an existing network, a crucial step in ensuring both platforms work together seamlessly. When selecting a new connection, you'll see an option for Shopify. Click on Shopify. This is the platform you want to connect with Zoho Books, facilitating automatic data sharing between both systems to streamline your operations. Lastly, you need to click on Create and Connect. By doing this, you finalize the setup. Now, Zoho Books will link with Shopify, allowing for real-time updates and data transfers. This means your sales, transactions, and inventory details can be managed in one cohesive ecosystem. And there you have it. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Zoho Books with Shopify. This newly established connection should make your business management more straightforward and efficient. Whether you're tracking sales, managing inventory, or handling customer data, everything is now within your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials.